Hello everybody, you are looking at a Barletta Cabrio 22QC. This is a 2025 Tritoon, very well equipped with the Mercury 200 V6 engine. We'll hop on the top side, take a closer look. As you can see, there's plenty of space on this boat. Has the nice folding armrest in the front. Lots of storage space. This does have the RGB light package and the JBL sound system that is new in 2025. At the helm we have our analog gauges with some digital display options available there on the tachometer. Our toggle switches, stainless steel on both sides, as well as our RGB light control there as well. This boat is equipped with the SIMRAD, and there is your JBL audio head unit. We've got the wireless charging and DTS throttle and shift. Captain's chair. With the QC layout, you do get those 4 loungers. Here's our rear lounger. Our power switch is under this seat, battery under this one, and then we have nice free storage space over on the passenger side as well. Lots of space off the back of the boat. That's one of the things that I really like about these Barlettas. Plenty of space back here to hang out if you pull up to the sandbar, or if you're setting up your inner tube, water ski, and then of course our ski tow bar as well too, and that awesome Mercury 200 V6 engine. You can check out this boat on our website at MarineMax.com, or you can stop in at our Cross Lake location and see this boat for yourself.